Okay, I don't have a bed of hot coals or a really hot wood fire to heat this metal up in, so I got the next best thing. My vegetable oil boiler. It's my boiler that I use that heats my house completely with waste vegetable oil. And it gets hot. And the nice thing is I got that nice view window. So what I'm going to do is take the rod, put it inside like that. Let it get nice and hot. And like I said, this is running entirely on waste vegetable oil down there. So, and I'm using that to heat up the rod. Not yet. If it gets hot enough. I think it will, though. It's just going to take a little bit. Turn it a little bit. Well, let's see what we got now. Not yet. Waiting. Yeah, this is a nice heavy all thread here. Should be more than strong enough to lift that plow. Almost what I want. I want it nice and bright. Let's take her out. Perfect. Let's bend this sucker. There we go. Okay. Where's the water? Ah, there it is. Woo, that's hot. Hopefully the threads will still be good enough to use.